Hi, in this video I'm going to do review exercise for the transformation and vectors. Okay, number one, we need to describe a single, so only one transformation that maps triangle A. Okay, here the triangle A onto triangle B. Okay, if the triangle B, look at this, A to B, they are mirroring. So we just count 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay, here it is. Here is the mirror line. So we can write it, this is reflection, reflect in the line x equal to -1. Next, A to C. Okay, A to C, they are rotated. So let us count it. So we got 3 here. Here also 3. Down. Okay, here it is, the origin. So to triangle C is rotate 90 degree clockwise about the origin or 0.0 to triangle D. Where is D? Here, A and D. As we can see, they are mirroring, so we can just count it. We got 3 here, 3, 1 and 1. Okay, here it is, the mirror line. So we can write it reflect in the line y equal to -1. Okay, continue B. Describe the pair. So this is more than one single, so two transformation that you could use to map triangle A to E. Okay, A to E. First, as we can see, they rotate 90 degree to anti-clockwise. So we can just write it first. Rotate 90 degree anti-clockwise. How about the origin? Let us the center. So we got 3 down, 1. So you make it 1, and then 3. Okay, here it is. So it's gonna be here. After rotate, okay, here about the origin. The origin. Then the easiest one is just moving, or we can write as translate. Then translate to the left. As this is left side, we will write negative. And 1 down, if down, we write it also negative. Here is translate, rotate. Okay, A to F. What can you see from here? Okay, they are mirroring. So we can count it. How many like D? Here, like D. So we can reflect in Y. In the line y equal to -1. So the position is here. This is not going up or down, only moving left. So we can just write it then. Translate. How many to the left side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A to F. Okay, we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 to the left side, so we write it -8. And not moving up or down, so just write it as 0. Okay, A to G. Okay, A to G. This is not mirroring, so not we cannot say it's reflect. However, this is we can rotate it. Okay, let's say 180. So here is 3 and 1. We rotate it. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, 1 and 3 down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, until here. Okay, we can draw it. The triangle. Okay, here is rotate 180 degree about the origin. Then we translate, not moving up or down, however, we're just moving to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So this is 6 and 0. A to H. Okay, here is reflection. 1, 1. So we can write it down. Here is reflect in the line x equal to 0, or this is SY axis. Then we translate it. This is not moving left or right, so here is 0 and going down 2, so here minus 2. Okay, number 2, Sally translated the parallelogram along the column vector. And then rotate it 90 degree clockwise about the origin to get the image. Okay, D. Okay, we need to draw it to get the original position. Okay, let me use a square paper. Let me write it again, the graph. Okay, here is Y axis, X axis. So we need 2, 4, 6, 8 here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, and negative 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, and negative 10. Okay. So let us draw the parallelogram. Okay, from here E is 1.1. So here is 1.1 and then 1.4 for D. Okay, 3.3 G. And F is 0. Okay, 3.0 F. Okay, we can connect it. Okay, so first is translated, okay, D, E, F, G along the column vector negative 4, 5. So negative 4 is, yeah, negative 4. This is left, 4 square, and then 5 is up. Okay, then rotate 90 degree clockwise. So let us make it reverse first, 90 degree clockwise about the origin. So for 90 degree clockwise, here is the origin. Okay, we got E will be here, and then here is F. Then we got here and here. Okay, we can connect it. Here is 90-degree anti-clockwise. We make it reverse. G and D. Okay. So let us write first. We make it 90-degree anti-clockwise about the origin. Then we reverse from -4 to before, translate, and then from 5 to be -5. Okay, 4 to the left, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we can just draw it. So here is the original parallelogram. Okay, here is E, F, G, and D. There it is. Here is the origin. So we need to enlarge D, E, F, G, okay, by a scale factor of 2, using the origin as the center. Okay, we need to label it. Okay, so look at that. We got 1, 2, 2, 2 down, and 1 right. So we double it. Gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. So here is the new point for G. How about F? 2 down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the left. So 4 down, and then 4 we multiply it by 2 is gonna be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How about D? So only 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 down is gonna be double it. 8 down. 1, 2 till here. E, we got 1, 2, 3. So we double it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there it is. G, F, D, and E. Here is the enlargement by the scale of factor of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, to double check for enlargement, pretty easy. You can just connect it each vertex to the center. Okay, they are connected. Here also connected to the center. Yeah, connected to the center. Here also this vertex F, E, yes, connected to the center. Okay, next number 3. Okay, we got square A, B, C. On the diagram. Reflect ABC in the line of X equal to -2. Okay, X equal to -2. Here it is, the line. So A is gonna be the invariant. So A is gonna be the invariant. So just keep it there. So just continue. D 1, 2. So 1, 2 here is D. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. From the mirror line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we can just connect it. Let's check it again. So 1, 2 to the mirror line. Here's a 2 to the mirror line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here it is, the C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Supposed to be here. We connect it. And yeah, this is the square. So here is A invariant, B, C, and D. Next, okay, we need to rotate. Okay, draw the following transformation, and in each case, give the coordinates of the new position of the vertex B. Okay, let us write the B. So the first B, the coordinate is -6.6. Okay, next we need to rotate 90 degree. So ABC, rotate ABC 90 degree clockwise. Okay, clockwise about the origin here, origin. So D is gonna be invariant. So it's gonna be here. Yeah, D is gonna be invariant. It's gonna be C. Here is B and A. So the coordinate of B is 6.2. Okay, here is A, B. Okay, next. C, we need to translate ABC along the column vector -3 and 2. So -3, we move it to the left. 2, we move it up. So A, move it left, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 up. Here is for the A. B, move it left 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and 2 up, 1, 2. Okay, here's B. D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Here is D. C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Here is C. We can connect it. So the coordinate of B is -1.8. Okay, D, we need to enlarge by a scale factor 0.1 using the origin as the center of enlargement. So here is the origin. D is gonna be invariant. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 square. Yeah, multiply 1.5 is gonna be 2 square. It's gonna be here. B and then A, 2 square. Okay, we can connect it. 1, 2, 3, 4 from here to here it is. Wait, it's not. Here it is, enlargement by 1.5. Okay, we can connect it. Okay, here is C, 4, B, and A. Okay, the coordinate of B, the fourth B, is 3.9. Okay, we can continue number 4. So we need to copy the diagram and draw the enlargement. Okay, the scale factor is negative. Yeah. The center is 2.2. Here is the center. So what is the question? Okay, we just need to draw it. So the scale factor is negative 1.2. Okay, so let me make it bigger again. The center is here, 2.2. Okay, take a look of each vertex D. So we move it left one time and one down, so negative 1 and negative 1. To E, we got 1, 2, 3 to the right side, and then 1, 2, 3 down, negative 3. G, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 to the left, and then 1, 2, 3, 3 down, so negative 3. F, only down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's gonna be F, 0 and negative 5. So the scale factor is negative 1/2. So D multiplied by negative 1/2 is gonna be a half and a half. E is gonna be negative 3/2 and 3/2. G is gonna be 2 and 3/2. F 0 and 5/2. Okay, let's start with D. We counted from the center a half and a half. A half to the right and half up. So here is D. E. 1.5 to the left side. 1.5 to the left side and 1.5 up. 1.5 up. Okay, here it is. Here is E. G, 2 right from the point, 1, 2, and then 1.5 up. Here it is. E, let's try again. E, to double check from the center, 1.5, and then also 1.5. Okay, here it is. E. Here is G. How about F? Is from the center, 2.5. 1, 2.5. Here is F. Okay, we can connect it. Here is after enlargement by a scale factor of negative 1/2.